Hello, everyone. Dr. Jezalowski again in week two of Social Work 336 Social Policy course. I hope that you're finding it engaging and uh, that your week is allowing you time to focus on all the important parts work, family, friends, school, and self care. This week we're going to be tackling or start tackling a strength-based approach to social work. We're going to actually kind of carry that forth a little bit to next week as well. It's so critical to social work to come from a strength-based approach. You're actually on a, you're often dealing with clients who have been put down and beat down for a lot of part of their lives and don't even understand the whole concept that they might have strengths that they haven't truly accessed in their life. And you may be the first person who speaks to them in this way. This week we're going to follow the same pattern. You're going to have a reading, you're going to have a devotional, you're going to have a discussion board, you have an assignment, and you have a quiz, an open book quiz. I'm sure you're going to do great on. Your assignment this week is going to be the introduction to that paper we're building. So you've done your topic selection, you've created a bibliography, some references, and now you're going to write the introduction. And you're going to start putting this paper together piece by piece by piece. And this is going to allow for you to have a fantastic paper that has some input from your professor that you can kind of edit your paper around. All right. I hope things go really well for you this week. And as always, I wish you grace and peace.